To fix the camera failed error on a Samsung phone, it is essential to understand why it occurs and how to troubleshoot it easily. The camera failed error on Samsung phones is typically caused by software or hardware issues, such as a faulty camera app, corrupted system files, or physical damage to the camera lens. First, restart your Samsung phone to see if it resolves the issue. Sometimes, a simple reboot can fix the problem by clearing out any temporary software glitches. If the error persists, try clearing the cache and data of the camera app. Go to Settings, then Apps. Select the camera app, and choose Clear Cache and Clear Data. If the issue is still not resolved, check for any software updates. Outdated software can cause compatibility issues with the camera app, so it is crucial to keep your phone's operating system up to date. To check for updates, go to Settings, then Software Update, and download and install any available updates. Another possible solution is to reset the camera settings to their default values. Go to Settings, then Apps. Select the camera app, and choose Reset Settings. This will restore the camera app to its original settings, which may resolve the issue. If none of the above steps work, it is possible that the issue is hardware related. Inspect the camera lens for any signs of physical damage, such as cracks or scratches. If the lens is damaged, you may need to replace it or take your phone to an authorized service center for repair. To prevent the camera failed error from occurring in the future, it is essential to handle your phone with care and keep the camera lens clean. Avoid touching the lens, and use a soft cloth to wipe away any dirt or debris. Additionally, consider installing a screen protector or phone case to protect your phone from physical damage. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the camera failed error on your Samsung phone. Remember to always handle your phone with care, and keep your software up to date to prevent any future issues. If the problem persists, it may be best to consult a professional for further assistance.